do a little video on my car. Okay, so this forest fire here was so hot that it burnt so right there's this so I haven't moved these since the fire of these cars, and as you can see behind the cars, it's completely burned. So there was heat, so much heat, and this is let's see, approximately, I don't know, 100 feet away. It's about let's see, 24, no, about 60 feet away. 24, yeah, 60 feet away is this. And it completely burned out not only this tanker here, but it was so hot that it burnt the stump completely out. And these trees show the effect of the burn. So then we're looking at the cars right over here. Now this is all pine needles that have fallen since, covering up the ground. And you can actually see the fire here. And then we go up over the cars. You can see this totally burned out the deck and everything that was in it. I had lumber in this thing and fencing boards. Totally burned every one of those out. And so these cars, check engine lights are coming on left and right. And so this bumper down here, how do I turn that off? I'm trying to turn off all that. Yeah, I hear it real loud. Wow. I used to be able to toggle that frickin' thing off, but it don't do it no more. Let's turn the volume down. Oh, that ain't gonna help. So this bumper here, it's been heated up to where it's separating. Yeah, turn that thing on. You can see the gap in here where the heat melted this. And my neighbor's lights melted. There's ash burnt into these. Ash is burnt on the there's ash burn on it. That's amazing. What's this? Wow. Ooh, this is melted. Wow. That's melted. Is this melted? Got some parts on the car that are melted. And then I think the same thing happened here. Yeah, look at that. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, I know what that is. Shit.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Wow. Oh, so where you at, man? You at home? Yeah. Yeah. Man.